And part of that is just starting, or for me, the main part of that is starting off running good numbers and covering every avenue, every nook and cranny in your portfolio to know that everything is tracked. There's nothing that's not tracked. The money I say I make, that is the money that I make. And if you do that, you will live a much happier life. So we had the legal and accounting, then we do taxes. I want to know what my property taxes are going to be. Let's say they're charging you for, here's a fee that we get here. So we get charged stormwater runoff on our properties here in Tennessee now. So my stormwater runs approximately between $4 on some of my houses. Some of my houses may be $40. I had a trailer park that was $600 a month. So if I don't include, there's no line, I need to put a line item on here to cover stormwater fees, but that's $4, $10, $30 every single month that I got to pay. And in the end of the year, you know, that could be a few $100s that we have. If we're only making a few $100 profit, then you lose that. So we need to make sure you're even covering those kind of charges. You got HOA fees. HOA fees need to show up in this right here because it's an expense. And I'm gonna redo this spreadsheet, and I'm gonna throw some more cost on here than what I have so that people that live in different areas. I don't invest in any HOA neighborhoods or anything like that because I can't control the fees of the HOA, and I see where it eats up a lot of people's profit. So if you're going to invest in a neighborhood that has HOA fees, you need to include those HOA fees in your calculations when you're doing your numbers, and you need to find a way to take those fees and then pass those off to the consumer who's renting your